In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Hyperliquid token. So first of all, you'll need a Hyperliquid account. So if you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, my link will give you 4% discounted trading fees for Hyperliquid. So sign up using that link, and once you've done that, you will then need to connect your wallet. But first of all, if you don't already have a wallet, I recommend using the Rabby wallet. This is the best wallet on the market currently. It's way better than MetaMask, much cleaner user interface, and just very easy to use. So head on over to rabby.io, and if you're on a Chrome browser or Brave, you can download this and get the Rabby wallet extension, and you can also do this on mobile, Android and Apple. So once you've got your wallet and you've set everything up, you're then going to need crypto in your wallet, of course. Now, if you've already got crypto in your wallet, you can skip this step, but what you'll need is either a Coinbase or a Binance account, a centralized exchange wallet. You could also use ChangeNow, a service like this, or Transact. So this is just a simple way to buy crypto. You can buy Ethereum and then follow the process of this. And once you've bought your Ethereum, you then send that into your newly created Rabby wallet. So once you've done those steps and you've got some Ethereum in your wallet, you are now ready to head on over to Hyperliquid. So as I said, click the link in the description to Hyperliquid, and that'll give you discounted trading fees. Once you're there, you then want to connect your wallet. So connect the wallet that you just created. I'm going to connect mine now. And once you've done that, at the moment you just have Ethereum in your wallet. Firstly, we need to change that. We need to change that over to Arbitrum. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to use a bridge of some sort. I recommend using Rocket Exchange. I use this all the time to swap crypto between different networks. So just click on go to the app, and once you're here, you can see you can swap from Ethereum to Arbitrum network. Just click on the list, select Arbitrum, and then you're going to want USDC. So swap the Ethereum over to USDC, and then paste in your Rabby wallet or whatever wallet you are using, and then you will have USDC available in your wallet. As you can see, I have $228 of USDC on Arbitrum network. Next, what you're going to want to do is click deposit. Make sure this stay connected button is selected, and then click establish connection. Click sign and confirm. And here it's making sure we're depositing from Arbitrum, we're depositing USDC, and this is the amount available to us in our wallet. We can just hit max here and click deposit. Once again, sign the transaction and confirm. That deposit is now confirmed, and we're just waiting for it to update on the blockchain, and this will appear just down here very shortly. Now, once you sign up to Hyperliquid using the link in the description, it may pop up with terms and conditions. Just select both boxes and accept the terms and conditions, and then initially it may ask you to sign when you connect your wallet, as I just did there for depositing. So once you've done that and you now have USDC in your wallet, you can do two things. You can transfer this between perps and spot. Perps is perpetual futures trading. This is leverage trading, longing and shorting different cryptocurrencies. You are trading contracts that contain the underlying asset. You do not own the cryptocurrency when you are trading perps. And spot is simply spot buying. That is when you buy and hold crypto. You own the asset. So for this example of how to buy Hypecoin, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer from our perps account to our spot account. As you can see, it already loaded in our perps account, so we're going from perps to spot, and you can change this vice versa by clicking the arrow. Then click confirm and sign the transaction. Now you can see already that has changed to our spot account. So here I already have the Hype USDC chart up on spot, and what you can do if yours is showing anything else is you can click up here, the arrow, and you can search for Hype, and make sure that you're clicking on Hype USD spot. Make sure that it has spot written next to it. Perps, as I said, is leverage trading, so we do not own Hype when we're doing that. We are just longing or shorting the coin. But if you want to actually buy and own Hype coin, make sure you're buying spot version. So click that and then head on over to the right hand side of the screen and you'll see a few options. You can market or limit buy. So for this example, we're going to market buy, which means we're going to buy at the exact current price that the coin is at right now. So I can enter in $200, or I can drag the slider and put it to 100%, and that means I will use all of my USDC balance. But for this example, oh, and you can also change this here, so you can select USDC or Hype, which just shows you how much you're going to be buying in US dollars or how much Hype coins you're going to be buying. So let's change this back to USDC and enter in $200. I now hit place order, I confirm, and it's telling me I'm going to buy 5.2 Hype coins at the market price. Click buy, and now you can see I own Hype coin. I have 5.196 Hype, the USDC value is $200, and I have a live P&L of how much profit or negative I am in. We can also place a limit order, which means we choose the price that we want to buy or sell at. So let's say we want to sell Hype once it reaches $50. We can say that we want to sell $30 worth of Hype at $50. So we just click place order, and that will say limit order placed. And then we can come on over to the open orders tab, and we can see that at $50 we will sell $29.50 worth of Hype. And you can see that on the chart up there as well. So let's cancel that. And we can also place a limit buy. So we want to buy Hype at, let's say, if it goes down to $30. And we want to buy $30 worth. So we can place that limit order. And now you will see that we have placed a limit buy. So if price comes down to $30, zoom out on the chart, if price comes down to here, we will buy $30 worth of Hype at that price. So that is a tutorial on how to buy and sell Hype coin using Hyperliquid exchange. If this exchange isn't available in your country, you may need to use a VPN to get around that, but that is how you buy and sell Hype coin. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe for more content like this one.